Alright, I'm going to do a little product review today. Kind of on my helmet cam, on how I'm going to set it up, and a few new products that I got. This is how I used to set it up. This is my brand new helmet. I make these little puck things here for the GoPro mounts and hook the camera up in the front like this. The only problem is I've been using these 3.5 millimeter cords, and they're long. I wrap around there, then the mic goes in the helmet. With this new helmet, I'm going to change it, do it a little different. A friend I ride with, North Country Boys YouTube channel, he found these online, and it's the Proshot, and basically this thing mounts to your helmet in that same position and avoids doing what I did, drilling a hole through my helmet and brand new helmet, and kind of ruined it in the front. But this should cover it up, hopefully. It mounts just like so. No good. Good. So we're going to mount that up on the helmet. Got a new mic instead of the them cheap ones I had. This Olympus. We'll see how this one works. Hopefully it's got better sound. And then instead of the long mic here, I just bought a longer GoPro adapter, and this thing will go right from the camera and right into the helmet and avoid that big long wire. And then the Olympus mic will just go on the end of it. But still using the GoPro Hero 4. I don't have a skeleton case or whatever you call them. I drilled my own hole for the mic adapter to fit into. So let's get this thing hooked up and see how it works. Alright, well, that's the piece I broke off. There was a piece there that slid up and down for air to flow through. I just had that screwed through like that with a nut and a bolt. But hopefully we won't have to use that. So we're going to try to get this hooked up. It's called the old Proshot. So it's going to clean up the helmet. I usually like to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Really cleans the area up good before I stick something. This thing looks like it just sticks with Velcro, so it'd be pretty cool. You can take it on and off if you choose to. I won't be taking it off because my helmet's broke, so I don't want to show off the broken helmet. Now, decal. Here's the Velcro strips to go on the helmet, and then there's the that thing will go on just like that. So looks like a pretty cool little setup. That's got a Allen wrench nut in the back of it, so if you did break this, you can change it. So that's a plus. Now let's get this helmet. The helmet cleaned up and see what we can do. You hear my dogs in the background going at it. Alright, I think I'm going to have to drill this hole a little bit bigger right there to get that through there. Had to ream her out a little bit. There we go. That'll work. They seem to snap on there pretty good. Looks pretty straight, solid. Alright, well, let's plug this in. Right in there. Like that. Yeah, actually a little longer than I wanted it to be, but better too long than not long enough. And there it is. I like this. Alright, I don't know if you can see that in there, but got it hooked up in there. It's all hooked up. Looks decent. They come in black and white, so it kind of match your helmet, whatever. Feels like they're pretty solid on there. So, alright, so there's the setup. I think it's going to work pretty good. One little wire instead of the big coiled up wire. And the mic is mounted right. Yeah, it's hard to see. It's upside down here. Let's try this again. Oh, there goes my helmet. But mic is mounted right there. What are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. If you're still here watching me right now, you must have liked the video, so go ahead and hit subscribe, top corner up here, and heck, you might as well watch one of these videos. Check them out. Later.